Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about the best method to find the highest value cash app boost. All right, I'm going to share this with you and it's going to be a quick video. So let's get into it. So the best method to find the highest value cash app boost is routine review and selective activation. Open the cash app boost section daily or before planned purchases to identify high percentage or high cap offers. Compare boost value based on how much you realistically spend, not hardline percentages alone. A smaller discount on a frequent expense can be more valuable than a larger one that you rarely use. Rotate boost intentionally instead of locking in one permanently. Consistent checking ensures that you capture meaningful savings rather than missing limited offers. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.